Today our topic is force. So what is force? Force is an external agency which changes the state of rest or motion of a body and also the shape and size of the body. Okay. SI unit of force is Newton and CGS is dyne. Now the relation between Newton and dyne is 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Right. Now there are two categories of force, or there are two types of force. Number one is called contact force and number two non-contact force. Okay, what is contact force? Contact force is a force which is applied on a body due to physical contact. Suppose one body is applying force on another body by actually touching it, the type of force is called contact force. For example, frictional force. So what is frictional force now? Suppose there is a table out there and a duster. If you slide a duster over the table, okay, frictional force comes into play because this duster and this table are in contact at this place. Okay, so this type of force is called frictional force. When a body slides over another body or when a body rolls over another body, the type of force coming into play is called frictional force. Next, normal reaction force. Okay, look at this word, normal. Okay, and this reaction. Normal means perpendicularly outwards. Normal means 90 degree. In mathematical term, it is perpendicularly. Okay, perpendicular to be precise. Normal means perpendicular 90 degree. So, look at this example. Out here, a box is kept on the table. Okay, and this is the direction of weight. This is the direction of weight of the box. Its value is mg. Now the direction of normal reaction is this. This is the direction of normal reaction. Why it is called normal? Look at the angle. Angle is 90 degree with the table. That's why this is called normal reaction force. Now its value will be, in this case it is same as the weight and directed perpendicularly outwards in this case. Okay. Now let us see another example. Suppose a body is kept in an inclined plane. Okay, like this. If a body is kept in an inclined plane, the direction of weight will be always vertically downwards. And in this case, what is normal? The normal force will be this because the angle is, let me give you the example. Because the angle is 90 degree out here. Since the angle is 90 degree out here, it is called normal force. Okay. Another example will be force of tension. Now if you look at this diagram carefully, this example carefully, a load is hanging with the help of a string or thread. This will be the direction of weight of this load, and to hold this load the string has to apply force in opposite direction called tension. Okay, this is the direction of tension which is opposite to that of the weight. Okay, remember it is not same as normal reaction force. Okay, it is different to normal reaction force. Out here the string is holding the load out here. Now there are many other examples like kicking a ball. While kicking a ball, a player has to touch the ball. Okay, and while dragging the table, okay, dragging the chair, one has to hold the chair or table. All these examples of contact force. Now you can find some examples yourself. Now let's go to non-contact force. A non-contact force is a force which is applied on one body by another without any physical contact. Okay, if one object applies force over another object without actually touching it, the type of force is called non-contact force. Examples are gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, etc. So we know what is gravitational force. It is the force of gravity with which one body attracts another. A body having mass, okay, attracts another body having mass. There has to be mass for gravitational force without actually touching it. If one body having certain mass pulls another body having certain mass, the force is called gravitational force. Example, gravitational force between earth and moon, we can say. Okay, another one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force between two charges. Suppose there is a positive charge out here, there's a negative charge out here. This positive charge will be attracting this negative charge towards itself, okay, without touching it. So this is a non-contact force. Suppose we have both positive charges, okay. Now this positive charge will repel this positive charge, or this positive charge will repel this positive charge without actually touching it, okay. These are electrostatic force. And magnetic force, we know one magnet attracts or repels another magnet, or a magnet attracts another magnetic substance without actually touching it. That type of force is called magnetic force, okay. There are some more examples for contact and non-contact force which you can find yourself.